hindi ako masyadong nape-pressure do'n because I know that she's my end game. So we're just trying to work everything out, parang gano'n. Pero siya na
Tama
talaga.
ng hair ko, di ba? Ganun din. Kasi, sabi ko nga si Bernadette, siya lang ako naging banayad, naging kalmado. Siya yung safe place ko and safe space ko. I call him my home,
May mansion.
the mansion, kasi meron kami running joke dyan. Kasi di ba, parang lagi lang narinig, you're my home. Sabi ko, huwag naman natin gamitin na lagi lang, you're my mansion. Yun ang sabi ko sa kanya. It's my mansion.
Tsaka ito na parang feeling namin, guided and protected kami ni God.
Ni God.
Because when we were going out, walang nakaalam na kung
Yeah.
lumalabas kami. Pero wala kami pakialam nun, baraping kami nun. Pero wala talaga nakaalam.
We can't say Bernadette at that time na, syempre hindi lalabas kasi walang social media. But at that time, there were
Tsaka
tabloids.
super duper sikat
Diba?
kayo.
Paparazzis everywhere. Pero we don't hide. We go out in
Yeah,
public
we don't.
places. Pero hindi kami nag-chismis.
Yeah. Oo, sobra.
I can't even describe it because I mean innate yung makikita mo na lang sa aura ko siguro na chill lang ako, kalmado. Alam niya kung may pinagdadaanan ako, he'll keep quiet. And sabihin ko na sa kanya, Han, give me 5 minutes.
People have failed relationships and look at you, you're giving people hope. Anong gusto niyong sabihin?
It's not too late to fall in love. And don't be scared to fall in love again.
To never give up. I mean, mo Bernadette, people are judging us. Like, hindi kayo magtatagal kasi ang dami nyo na failed relationships. As I've said nga, do not judge us. Because hindi rin naman namin ginusto. Sino ba naman gusto mag-fail, di ba?
Yeah.
But just see where we're coming from. We're coming from a hope. We're coming from love. And we're not coming just na gusto lang namin, trip-trip lang namin na magkarelasyon. This is rooting from love.